Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today we are continuing our two-part series of paintings inspired by auras, and specifically the ones in my family. So if you haven't watched the previous video, definitely go back and do so. I kind of explained my journey through metaphysics and spirituality, which is very recent for me, by the way, and how I'm seeing auras of my own, but also of my mother and father who have already passed. So my mom is a gorgeous emerald green aura anytime I'm in deep meditation and feel her presence. My father, who we're going to be doing our painting based on today, is a vibrant, bright, shining, bluish silver color. And I am a bright orange red. So last painting, we combined my mom and I's aura, and today we're combining my dad and I's. So I'm really excited for that. All right, to go over a little bit more in detail, so this is a 20 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas. I made my own custom color last time. I did so again today, but this is the blue we're going to be using, and it's very silvery. I know the camera does not capture that, but it is very silvery. And it's a lot of Amsterdam titanium white. I also added Amsterdam silver. I added pearlized white by Master's Touch to get it even more shiny. And then drops of this crystal blue, pearlized crystal blue from Master's Touch until I got the color that I desired. So that is all mixed with US Floetrol and water. And then for our accent colors, so this is going to be another Dutch pour like I did the previous time. We're going to be using my custom orange red that I made. This is using, I believe it was Master's Touch. I think it's primary red and yellow. And then for our other accent colors, I have this light gold and just white. So I'm really excited to do this, and as we go through, I'll be adding some fun facts about the different colors of aura. I went through my mom and I's last time. I'll reiterate mine and my dad's this time, and even maybe give you a list of some of the other ones that are common to see. I know my son, he says that he sees this like violet purple color all the time. So let me know if you've had any experiences with auras and if you've seen any. So and what yours is, because we could learn a lot about each other. So, all right, let's get started. So this is very thin, especially for me. I'm not used to working with really thin paints like Molly or anybody like that. So I'm just going to spread this out. Okay, that's spread out, and let's pop some bubbles. Okay, that looks really good. Let's put down, so I'm gonna put down just a blue base of where I'm gonna go. So last time I went kind of up through here and over through here. So I think I'm gonna try to keep some of those lines the same. Ooh, that was a little bit much. All right. Okay, then I did want to leave my red on top. So let's put the gold down next. If I can get it out of there. There we go. Okay, then my white, and I unfortunately don't have a lot of white, but hopefully it'll be enough. All right, well, you know what? We're gonna use what we can and go from there. Last but not least, this color is so cool. It is vibrant though. All right, let's do it. And I'm not going to add a ton of this because it is powerful. All right. Woo! All right, here goes everything. All right, that looks pretty, but there was a lot of blue, so I am going to add one more thing of red and then gold. Okay, I think it's looking all right. Again, there's just like a little bit more I want through here. See if we can just add a line of each here. All right, that looks better, I think. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to do just some finger swipes to redefine some of the shape, but yeah, let's do that. So all right, now that we got our finger swipes, I am going to touch up all of the edges and bring the camera down for a close-up. It's really pretty. All right, let's take a look at the wet result. It always looks very interesting because the paint gathers in interesting spots. So this is cool. There's like little dots everywhere. I wonder what that's gonna dry like. But this came out very beautiful. I'm really excited to see how the gold against the red dries. This red against the blue is so vibrant. We got some really nice cells. That Amsterdam doing its job as usual. But I love this up here. It looks almost like a storm or something. but it's so pretty. I'm so excited to see how it dries, and I'll show you the two side by side as well. All right, and here we are with dried results of my dad's inspired aura. I love the colors together. This light blue is exactly how I saw him, like bright, shining, silvery blue. And then you got me over here making a statement with my red orange. So that I love the contrast of these colors, and I love like the warm and then the cool. It's really neat. I got some cool movements, some nice cells up here. This is my favorite area though. It's just like where the gold is coming through the red orange, and I did, it's a little shiny, so I apologize for the glare because I added some varnish. So, all right. Well, let's see how my dad's inspired aura painting here looks with my mom's. So we got the whole family. Okay, and here they are together. Wow, I just absolutely love this set, obviously because it's personal to me, but I really do like the flow. And like I said, that red orange is super bold and vibrant. So we got kind of a cascading effect coming down. How I put them together. Let's go in for a close-up of them together. And again, apologize for the glare. But yes, this dark green is just so beautiful. And then we transition down here and go right into the blue. Awesome. Well, I think I'm going to probably hang these in my bedroom or maybe in my office, just so, I don't know, kind of more of a spiritual place while I admire them. But let me know what you guys think. Did you have fun with this? If you did, please give me a like on this video. Also, subscribe to my channel. So I do plan on doing one more aura inspired piece of fluid art. And so my son, he said he sees violet. So we're gonna combine me, this bright orange, some beautiful violet color, and then we'll add some of my mom and dad. So we'll have a complete family set. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Take care.